Hey guys!
Hi.
What is up? I'm doing another video, and do you know how I'm keeping my camera right here? I actually got a new setup. I got a new desk place, so I'll show you it. It's beautiful and pretty. It's nice. We got the skeleton boys here, and then we have this other skeleton
It's not showing
here.
the table.
It
is. No, it is.
Got the
Minecraft. Got the Minecraft
We got my
stuff.
drawer.
Wait, can I show them the spider?
One of my drawers has a telephone and a smartphone in it.
Where's the spider gone?
There's
Oh, there's the spider.
Show them the telephone. It's showing. It has a smartphone in here.
Let's do the slow mo of your table.
No, I can't do slow-mo.
Well, no. I'm gonna hold it and I'm gonna move it around very slow.
What do you mean? No slow motion. Dun, 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 dun,
Okay, guys. Well, that's just my new setup. So, bye, guys. Peace 100. Please like and subscribe. Comment down fidget spinner below because I might be doing a giveaway. And please like and subscribe.
And go on Connor's other channel and type in Minecraft if you have subscribed.
And type in I subscribed if you subscribed. So, please stop talking, Adam. Say bye. Adam,
Bye.
say bye. And
Wait.
bye, guys. Peace 100.